Here we have a brand new MDO3000 mixed domain scope still in the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we have a tray full of the accessories. We'll talk about those in a minute. Next, we can see the instrument is securely packed within the box. Let's pull it out. On the back, you'll notice a standard VESA mount, Kensington lock, and I/O ports including the new function generator output. You'll notice there is information right here on how to register your new MDO to activate the digital voltmeter function and receive firmware updates and product information to keep you current. Now let's see what comes with the instrument. Naturally, a power cord, passive probes, one for each analog channel. The 1 GHz MDO models come with 1 GHz probes. The other models come with 500 MHz or 250 MHz probes. Now these are not your typical passive probes. They have very low capacitive loading to minimize the effect of the probe on a circuit's operation. They offer the performance of an active probe with the flexibility of a passive probe. All of the accessories that you will most likely need come with these probes. You get rigid and spring-loaded probe tips, a hook tip, and a micro hook tip, a universal IC cap to prevent shorting the probe tip between IC pins, 2 different ground springs for high-frequency signals, and last but not least, color bands to identify the oscilloscope channel at the probe head. To help with connections, the instrument also comes with an IC grabber clip, a ground lead for connecting to square pins, a long ground lead with an alligator clip, and a spool of 32-gauge wire. A BNC to N-type adapter is included for the RF channel. Since this instrument has the mixed signal option, it includes a logic probe set for the digital channels and a bag full of accessories. You can see it has 2 8-channel headers for connecting to square pins. Each of the 2 heads has a connection pod that attaches to the head and breaks out the 8 channels and 2 grounds. Other accessories in the accessory bag include probe tip extenders and IC grabbers. The MDO also has a pouch to keep all the probes and accessories in one place so they don't get lost. There's also an installation and safety manual. If I had chosen any of the non-English language options, I would have gotten a front panel overlay to translate the controls to that language. This CD contains documentation and Open Choice Desktop. It's software to enable fast and easy communication between a Windows PC and the instrument. In this envelope is the calibration certification for this instrument. One last thing, the MDO comes with a 3-year warranty covering all parts and labor. The warranty information is located here in the manual. You can find the complete list of what's included with the MDO3000 in the data sheet and in the manual. You'll find these resources online in the MDO3000 resource library.